This video tutorial I will explain what is IP address and port number. We can think of internet like a vast network of houses. Each house or computer has its own unique address to help messages and data find their way. And this unique address is called IP address. So in this analogy, house is equivalent to computer and address of the house is equivalent to IP address. IP address is like your computer's home address on the internet, and IP address is a series of numbers that tells other computers where to find your computer in the huge internet neighborhood. And each computer has its own IP address, just like every house has a unique street address. Now we will see ports. Each door in the house equivalent to port. Now think of your computer as a house with many doors. Each door is like a port. Ports are like entry points to your computer. They allow different types of information to come in and out. Imagine one door is for emails, another door is for websites, and third door is for online games. Each door or port has specific number, like rooms in your house. So when data comes to your computer, it knows which port to go to. Let's say you want to send an email. Your computer uses email port to send the email. When the email arrives at its destination, the other computer knows to go to the email port to receive it. So in a nutshell, an IP address is your computer's address on the internet, and ports are like different doors for a specific type of data. Together, they help all the data on the internet reach the right computer and find the right port to enter. There are two types of IP addresses are there. The first one is IPv4 address. The second one is IPv6 address. Here you can see the example of IPv4 address. This is the common format for IP addresses, and it consists of four set of numbers, each ranging from 0 to 255. And the second one is IPv6 address. Here you can see the example of IPv6 address, and IPv6 is the newer format with longer address, which is used to accommodate growing number of devices on the internet. Now we will see port number examples. Port 80. Port 80 is commonly used for HTTP traffic. HTTP is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and HTTP protocol is used for web browsing. When you enter website address in your web browser, it often connects to port 80 to fetch the web page. Port 25. Port 25 is used for sending email using SMTP protocol. SMTP is nothing but Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. When you send an email, your email client connects to the port number 25 of your email server to send the message. Port number 22. Port number 22 is commonly used for SSH connection. It allows for secure remote access to a computer over the network. Port number 443. Port number 443 is used for secure web browsing using HTTPS protocol. HTTPS is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. When you visit a website with a padlock icon in the address bar, it often connects to port number 443 for secure communication. Port number 21. Port number 21 is used for FTP connections, which are often used to upload the files to the server and download files from the server. These examples showcase the diversity of IP addresses and ports and how they are used for different types of communication on the internet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.